Today, I'm showing you all how easy it is to make a delicious flan. The ingredient list is in the description below. I'm going to start by preheating my oven to 350, and then I'm heating up this pan over medium heat and I'm adding a cup of sugar. I just want to say my pan is not dirty, it's just time for me to get another one. After around 5 minutes, the sugar will begin to melt. So I'm going to slowly stir with this wooden spoon until all of the sugar has melted. The caramel sauce is very hot, so I'm carefully going to pour it into a loaf pan. And I'm going to let this harden while I move on to the next step. So now I'm adding my eggs to my blender, and I'm also adding a can of sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And I'm going to blend this for about 30 to 40 seconds. Now I'm pouring this mixture into the loaf pan and I'm going to cover it with foil. And then I'm going to place my loaf pan into a casserole dish so I can make a water bath. And then I'm going to transfer it to the oven. And I'm going to add enough water to reach halfway up the loaf pan. And then I'm going to let it bake for 1 hour. When done, the flan should be a bit jiggly still, and a fork should come out clean when inserted. And I'm going to let the flan cool for 1 hour, then I'm going to cover it with foil and let it chill in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight. Here I'm running a butter knife along the edges of the loaf pan to loosen up the flan. Next, I'm taking a large plate and I'm placing it face down on top of the loaf pan. Then I'm going to flip it. The flan is now ready to be served. I'd really love to hear what you think of this recipe in the comments below. I really hope you will enjoy it as much as we do. And thank you so much for watching.